Here we are Sunday morning, out for a little run. While she's exercising the puppies. And it's raining. So we have to be inside a lot. So we're, between the really hard showers, we try to get out. Famous! Split. There's more of the gang. I'm down in the meadow now because they talked me into it. Jill and her mom. We're headed over to the creek. See what they think of that. What do you have? See how much rain we've had. The creek's washed out. Overflowed. I don't think so. Okay, if you guys go down it, I'll just pick you up at the end. The ditch at the end. Well, we're headed home from our walk now. Dee Dee's out front. She's had it. It's too wet for her. Are you done? Is it too wet for Miss Dee Dee's? I think so. Yeah, everybody's coming. I dropped the camera in the riverbed, and now we've got some problems. Everybody is filthy now.